Hello everybody and welcome to the BOSH kitchen.
Happy Veganuary, that amazing time of year when there are loads of gorgeous plant-based products hitting our shelves. One of the best vegan items we've seen this year is this new almond-based yogurt from our mates at beleaf. It's 100% plant-based, 100% delicious, and it's great on its own, super creamy, but we wanted to take it one step further.
That's right, we wanted to use the mango and passionfruit variety as an ingredient and make a wonderful breakfast item. So we have concocted this. This is a tropical toast loaf. And this yogurt goes inside it to make it really tasty and really tropical. In fact, it kind of injects a little bit of summer flavor into the winter, which we're in now.
This is a certified win for breakfast, a proper game changer. We hope you love the recipe.